Okay.
FSU.
Hold it. Hello, this is Mark with Alamo Ammo. Today Lauren and I are at the Nardis gun range. And the semi-automatic 22 long rifle. It's got a collapsing stock. And Lauren is getting ready to lay down the law here. And she is ready to fire. We're shooting the, don't turn it off, we're shooting the m-22 bullets. Is for semi-automatic Winchester. Lauren, go ahead. I need you to start firing. Awesome. Here. Now safety. Here, let's go. Be careful. Let's go. Okay. Give us some FSU and always a PTL. FSU. All right, Lauren. Okay, was that fun? Lauren, turn around. Was that fun? Hey, so Alamo Ammo and what else?
FSU.
Equals SA Notorious, Alamo Ammo synonymous, right? And we always got to give praise to who?
God.
And PTL, right? There we go, that's what I'm talking about.